I'm going to mark our starting point. The length of the gown is 28 plus 1 inch, which 38 plus 1 inch, which is 39. The width I have 16. The width I have 16. I'll take 7.5 as the shoulder. For this, I am cutting the front and the back together. Right here, I'll go down by 1 inch for a shoulder slant. Then from there, I'll take 8 inches. I'm going to take 2.5 and 3 inches. Remember, we have 2 fabrics here, so we'll be cutting both for the front and the back together. Slant it out. Take half of the arm side, which is 8, then half is 4. Go in by 0.5, which is here. The bust is 10 plus 2 inches, 12. So from there, we'll be connecting it to the end. Go up by 2 inches. Connect it back to the skirt. So I'll take it down to the waistline, which is 17. Okay, this is the middle. So design will go 1 inch after the shoulder. 1 inch after the shoulder. From that 1 inch, take it all the way to the dot you have here. Do the same this way. 1 inch. Another 1 inch. Take it to that line. split on this like this. So right now I have to get the interface of the front and back, then I'll join the shoulders. So we're going to measure the length of this design we have here. So we'll have 18 plus 8. We have 18 over there, 18 again. So 18 plus 18, what do we have? 36. So we'll be cutting 36 times 2. So guys, I have 2 yards in length, and for the width I have like 5 inches, because I'm going to cut out this design here. So I have like 5 inches here, and what I will do next is I'm going to weave this side, then I'm going to close the hem of this one like this. So this is what it looks like after folding. I folded this part and I weaved this part, as I said. So the next thing, don't forget to iron, guys. Let me tell you, the secret to ready to wear is ironing. If you iron very well, your clothes will surely come out very well. So this is my hand needle. The next thing to do now is to like gather it. You can use your machine to gather, but I always prefer doing it this way, because sometimes after using my machine and I want to draw it, it will cut, and it's quite frustrating if such happens. So I'm going to be doing it this way until I get to the last point. Okay, you have just to spread it out. So if you want this to be fuller, you can make yours 3 yards instead of 2 yards. So this is what it would look like, but on the machine. Okay, this is the right side and this is the wrong side. You're going to place the wrong side this way. Okay, and make sure you sew on the line. Sew it on the line by the wrong side. Sew it. So after sewing it, then flip it over. So right now I'm going to my machine. I'm going to place it this way. I'm going to exclude the back side, and from the front side I'm going to sew on it all the way, just on the line. Next thing is to do is to put the sleeves. I have 2 here. So the front side, you pick it up and place it front to front, and I'll sew it to the end and sew it together, and I'll do the same here. So after that I have to turn it over. After putting the sleeve, I'll turn it over like this, and by 0.5 inch I'll sew it like this all the way. Then I will hem the down part.